Hello traders, Gary Wagner here. It is 12:15 in Honolulu, 6:15 in New York on Wednesday, 9th day of July 2025, and this is the evening report for gold and silver. Gold futures edged back above $3,300 per ounce today, recovering from earlier losses following the release of last month's FOMC meeting minutes. The meeting minutes revealed that Federal Reserve officials were divided on how soon, as well as how aggressive they should be in regards to future interest rate cuts this year. That being said, gold did finish in the positive, gaining $11.50. That's a net increase of 0.35%, taking August gold to $3,322.50. Gold is trading overseas up an additional $4.10 at $3,326 and change. The entirety of gains achieved in gold today were based on market sentiment by traders, with dollar neutrality being evident in that the dollar lost 0.01%, moving the index very little to 97.488. We are looking at a standard candlestick chart of gold futures. This the continuous contract, now representing August gold. We can see the recovery that came in after hitting a low intraday below 3,300 and after the minutes were released, popping back up. But what has become very clear is that there is exceedingly strong support just below 3,300 at 3380. I look at these bottoms here, this low that came in here, the fact that this area acted as resistance back in May, as well as this area in the middle of April, which was an important time considering that during the first week of April, gold was around $3,000. It would trade straight up through 3,100 and then peak right here at 3,288, come down a little, but when it broke above this price point at 3,275, we had solid movement to the upside, taking gold to its first and highest level ever above $3,500. This level would become important, although we would see a series of lower highs. They would in essence create the upper level of absolute resistance for the last 3 months. In the same way, the level of $3,280 has become a more and more important level defining absolute support, while we have seen gold dip well below that, trading to the one low that came in at about $3,150. Once gold traded back above that, we can see the energy of the breakout that occurred towards the third week of May, and then it became an exceedingly strong level of support for the end of May, June, and into July, further defining and contracting the range and price of gold between its current levels of $3,275 for support and $3,475 for resistance. This has been Gary Wagner wishing you, as always, good trading. We will talk to you tomorrow for the next daily update and review. Bye-bye.